Just to introduce myself, I think most of you guys know who I am, but I'm Nick Laffan, as it says up there. What I've come up with for this is 10 rules, which I think are good rules to have for maintaining a work-life balance. My first rule, which is rule 1, for a reason, is you are the only person who can set and enforce your own boundaries. Quite often I talk to people and they're waiting for someone else to kind of work it out for them. And what then tends to happen, this thing, I don't know, does anyone remember Stretch Armstrong? Yeah, okay. So this was like a kid's toy. I never had one, a friend of mine did, and I was really jealous. But where you could like stretch it and pull it, and it was really flexible and you could get it really long. But actually, if you don't, what happens is you end up like Stretch there. And you get different people, they're all coming to you, they all want something, they're all got their own demands, and you end up being stretched and pulled in different directions. And that quite often is what happens for people if you're depending on other people to do it for you. So there's two sides to it. The one side is we're responsible for our own boundaries. So for me, speaking personally, if I'm not making enough time, say for my relationships, my wife, that's my problem. So that's not the fault of work for demanding this and that of me. That's not the fault of anyone else who may be ringing me. Actually, that's my problem. And if we wait for other people to do it, we'll be waiting a long time. So that's rule 1. Rule 2, and there's going to be a little exercise for you guys now. Look, do you see how that moved? Look. This stuff takes me ages. So I have to point it out because, I want to get the credit for what I've done. But the second rule is you are the only person who can decide what your personal work-life balance is. So don't expect someone else